Many people complain against the problems faced by oily skin. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Forefather Law. Today in this video, I am going to share a very good remedy for oily skin, which would not only solve all problems of oily skin, it would remove dead cells and it would also make skin healthy. To prepare this cream you will need raw milk, almond crumbs, aloe vera gel. In a clean bowl, first mix 3 to 4 tablespoons raw milk and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Now in this mixture, add 2 to 3 tablespoons almond crumbs and mix it well. After mixing all the ingredients, place them in icing tray, where it would be iced then. You can use 1 cube daily in the morning. On consistent use, you will notice a great change in your face.